Hello friends, today we will discuss the topic that is the Jacobian of composite functions. Okay, Jacobian of composite function. First we will discuss some important point. Point number first, we know that the composite function very well. Okay, the first point, if u comma v are functions of r comma s and r comma s are functions of x comma y, then तो देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, here u comma v, this depending upon r comma s and r comma s depending upon x comma y. Okay, this is your composite function, correct? Composite function. Then we have to find Jacobian of uv with respect to x and y. Okay, then the Jacobian dou uv with respect to dou xy is equal to क्या जाएगा? First Jacobian of uv with respect to rs, Jacobian of uv with respect to r comma s into this r and s are the functions of x comma y. तो क्या जाएगा? Jacobian of r comma s with respect to x comma y. Okay, this is your first result. Okay, and this is your formula. This is your formula for finding the Jacobian of composite function. Okay, the Jacobian of composite function. Okay, then for more variables, suppose remark 2, I will write directly here. Suppose UVW u comma v comma w are the functions of r, s and t. UVW are the functions of r, s, t, and these are the functions of x, y, z. These are the functions of x, y, z. Then we have to find the Jacobian of UVW with respect to x, y, z. How to find? Then the Jacobian dou UVW with respect to dou x, y, z is equal to क्या जाएगा? dou UVW, these are the functions of r, s, t, correct? With respect to dou r, s, t into these are the functions of x, y, z. तो क्या जाएगा? dou r, s, t with respect to dou x, y, z. Okay, then this is the formula for finding Jacobian of composite function. Okay, the Jacobian of composite function. Okay, now we will discuss some examples on that topic. Okay, so example first, if x is equal to a in bracket u plus v comma y is equal to b in bracket u minus v and u is equal to r square cos 2 theta, u is equal to r square cos 2 theta comma v is equal to r square sin 2 theta. Find dou x by dou x comma y with respect to dou r comma theta. Now look on the board. This is example belongs to composite function. Okay, here x and y are the functions of u comma v and u comma v are the functions of r comma theta, correct? Now I will write here x is equal to a in bracket u plus v, y is equal to b in bracket u minus v, correct? then u is equal to r square cos 2 theta and v is equal to r square sin 2 theta. Correct. Now here x comma y are the functions of uv and uv are the functions of r and theta. This is your chain. Correct. X comma y are the functions of uv and uv are the functions of r and theta. Correct. So therefore क्या जाएगा dou x y with respect to dou r comma theta. Correct. तो क्या जाएगा? This is dou x comma y with respect to dou uv into dou uv with respect to dou r comma theta. Correct. This is your equation star. Okay, this is your formula for composite function. Okay, by using composite function formula, यहाँ पे मेंशन कर दो by using formula of composite function for finding Jacobian. Okay, now first we have to find value of this dou x comma y with respect to dou uv is equal to क्या जाएगा? Determinant x का differentiation with respect to u, that is dou x by dou u, dou x upon dou u, then x का with respect to v, dou x upon dou v, same y का with respect to u, dou y by dou u, then y का with respect to v, तो क्या जाएगा? dou y by dou v. Okay, now first of all find answer of this. x का differentiation with respect to u, x का differentiation with respect to u क्या मिलेगा? a, then x का differentiation with respect to v, this is also a, then y का differentiation with respect to u, y का differentiation with respect to u क्या मिलेगा? b, and y का differentiation v क्या मिलेगा? minus b. This is minus ab, this is minus 2 times ab. Okay, suppose equation first. Okay, minus ab minus दोनों का multiplication, we get this. Okay, now similarly we have to find value of these. All similarly dou uv with respect to dou r comma theta, dou uv with respect to dou r comma theta is equal to क्या जाएगा? This is dou u upon dou r, dou u upon dou theta, correct, whole divided by dou v upon dou r, dou v upon dou r, dou v upon dou theta. Correct. Now find answer of this. देखो u का डिफरेंशिएशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू r, u का डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू r क्या मिलेगा? 2r cos 2 theta. दिस इज 2r cos 2 theta. ओके, नाउ u का डिफरेंशिएशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू थीटा, cos का क्या जाएगा? माइनस, तो क्या जाएगा? माइनस टू r स्क्वायर sin 2 थीटा. ओके, cos का डिफरेंशिएशन sin, देन सेम फी का डेरिवेटिव विद रिस्पेक्ट टू r क्या जाएगा? 2r sin 2 थीटा. करेक्ट, 2r sin 2 थीटा. देन v का डिफरेंशिएशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू थीटा, sin का क्या जाएगा? cos. दिस इज 2r स्क्वायर cos 2 थीटा. नाउ सिंप्लीफाई दिस इज 2 into 2 क्या जाएगा? 4r स्क्वायर cos square 2 theta minus minus plus 4r cube, not square, cube, r square into r cube, 4r cube sin cube 2 theta. Correct. Now take 4r square outside, तो क्या मिलेगा वो? दिस इज योर 4r cube. Correct. 4r cube in bracket cos square 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta. This is 1. Okay. Suppose this is your equation second. This is your equation second. Therefore, from equation first and second, and equation star, we get dou xy with respect to dou r comma theta. Therefore, dou x comma y with respect to dou r comma theta is equal to, the value of dou xy with respect to dou uv, this is minus 2 times ab, minus 2 times ab into value of dou uv with respect to r comma theta, this is 4r cube, 4r cube, and this is minus 8ab r cube. Okay, this is your answer, this is your required answer. Okay, so this example belongs to the composite function. Here we have to mention by Jacobian, by composite function or Jacobian of composite function. Okay, this is your formula. Okay, now this is your example first on the Jacobian of composite function. Now I will give one homework for you. The example second. Example second, if u is equal to e raised to x cos y, comma v is equal to e raised to x sin y, where x is equal to LR plus SM, LR plus SM, y is equal to MR minus ST or SL, find dou UV with respect to dou R comma S. Okay, so see here same question, I will give hint. Here u comma v are functions of x and y, and x and y are the functions of r comma s. Okay, this is your composite function. Then here we have to find Jacobian of u comma v with respect to r comma s. Okay, use the same formula, that is the Jacobian of composite function, we get required answer. Okay, now here this topic is over. In next section we will discuss your new topic. Okay.